All right, we're gonna change the oil today on this Honda 3000. We're running an off-grid cabin in Alaska. So every couple hundred hours, you wanna make sure you're changing the oil on this generator. And so I'll just show you a quick way that we get this set up and done. So the first thing you wanna do, shut the engine off. You're gonna pop this cover right here on the front. You can take that off, get it out of the way. What I do is I relieve pressure here on the dipstick. I already did it, so it's not gonna bleed out, but you don't want oil shooting everywhere. So I let that bleed out. Then I take this right here. We're going to take this out and drain it. There. Make sure we don't make a huge mess. Put these little soaker towels down to make sure it's all good. Okay, there it is. Let that bleed into there. Then we'll refill it. Get this thing done. All right, I think we've got it drained well enough here. So we're gonna put this plug back in. You wanna make sure we've got this in here really nice. This generator takes a lot of abuse. So changing oil on this thing is just critical. Zip this bad boy back in. Okay, we're gonna check it, make sure it's on there tight. We got the old universal wrench. Sorry for my poor video quality here. Okay, nice and tight, not over tight, but it's tight. So we've got that in. Now we're gonna fill this up. I need a funnel, I don't have one, so I'm gonna take this. It's empty. I'm gonna cut it and make a funnel. All right, this funnel will work. It's not perfect, but I can make this thing work. We'll get that in there just like that and fill this thing up. All right, we've got the plug back in. We've got the drain plug in, the dipstick tube is in. Get this thing started. All good. We got pretty much a full tank. We're gonna come over here.